Margaret Rosel.
Okay, Ma'am Margaret, yours na Ma'am Margaret. Thank you so much po. Oh, ito pa mga ma'am siyang ganda. Okay, ito pa ha. Cotton linen. Okay, pang large to XL to ha. This is what? Okay, this is 917. Okay, 917.
964 pangatlo kay Ma'am Milady Joy.
Thank you, Ma'am Milady. Oh, ito pa mga ma'am siya. Small to medium po ako. This is ano to? What's this? Okay, 862. Okay, 862. Okay, this is for, di ba, very social. Medium large to XL. This is 987. Okay, 987.
917 pangatlo kay Ma'am Catron Kilio.
Ka, thank you so much po. Okay, this is for small to medium po ako. This is 981. Okay, 981. O, takin niyo ma'am siya. Ang ganda niya, no? Small to medium po ako. This is 974. Okay, 974.
862 pangapat kay Ma'am Catron Kilio.
Thank you, Ma'am Kat. O, ayan pa mga ma'am show. Dali, oh. Bakuna to ha. Ganda nito mga ma'am show. Medium large to XL po ako. This is 657. Okay, 657. And then for this one, okay, this is for large to XL. This is 978. Okay, 978. O mga ma'am, parang cardigan to. Large XL up to double XL. The code is 699 po ako ito. Okay, 699.
974 pangapat kay Ma'am Marie Doliosa.
Thank you, Ma'am Marie. Okay, ito pa mga ma'am siya. Pabakuna dress na, pabakuna top na naman to ha. Large to XL. This is 649. Okay, 649.
657 pangapat kay Ma'am Catron Kilio.
Thank you, Ma'am Kath. Okay, for this one, mga ma'am show, this is for large to XL po ito. This is 025. Okay, 025. Ito po mga
699 po pangatlo kay Ma'am Catron Kilio.
Thank you, Ma'am Kath. Teka lang. O, ito pa mga ma'am siya. Small, medium to large po ako. This is 028. Okay, 028.
649 pangatlo kay Ma'am Catron Kilio.
Thank you, Ma'am Kath. Ito po. O, mga ma'am show. Ano, pag ganyan yung pag sinuot ha. Okay, small to medium po ako dito ha. Okay, this is what? 667. Okay, 667.
025 kay Ma'am Catron Kilio.
Pangilan?
Pangatlo po.
Okay. Thank you, Ma'am Kath.
Pati 028 po pangalawa kay Ma'am Catron Kilio.
Thank you, Ma'am Kath. O, ito pa mga ma'am siya. This is for large XL up to double XL. This is 689. Okay, 689. And then for this one, okay, this is for large. Ang ganda nito. Large to XL. This is 029. Okay, 029.
667 pangatlo kay Ma'am Milady Joy.
Thank you, Ma'am Milady. Wait lang. Okay, ito pa ha. Okay, this is for medium large to XL. This is 628. Okay, 628. And then for this and for wrap around to kayo na mag-ayos ha. Small, medium to large. This is 626. Okay, 626. Ito din ang ganda oh. Para siyang light pink to ha. Pang large to XL. This is 624. Okay, 624.
029 pangapat kay Ma'am Heidi Salonga.
Thank you, Ma'am Heidi. O, ito pa mga ma'am siya. This is for medium large to XL. This is 010. Okay, 010.
628 pangapat kay Ma'am Catron Kilio.
Thank you, Ma'am Kath. O, ayan pa, ma'am siya. Sige, sama ko na rin to. Grabe, ganda nito. Pang large to XL po ako. 687. Okay, 687.
626 pangapat kay Ma'am Jeng Dumlao.
Thank you, Ma'am Jeng. Okay, ito pa ha. Pang large to XL po ako. This is what? Okay, this is 686. Okay, 686. And then for this one, mga okay, large XL up to double XL. This is 602. Okay, 602. Branded by Mirona yan ha. Large to XL po ako. Dili, ang ganda. Planchahin mo lang to. 684.
689 po pang pito.
24.
Si Ma'am Joy Paki.
Ma'am Joy, yours na Ma'am Joy. Thank you so much po. Okay, ayan pa ma'am siya. Dali oh. Small to medium po ako ito with a hood to ha. The code is 695. Okay, 695.
686 pangapat kay Ma'am Catron Kilio.
Thank you, Ma'am Kath. And then for this one, mga ma'am siya. Okay, this is for large to XL po ako ito. Okay, this is 640. Okay, 640. Yan din oh. Sama ko na rin to. Dali. Small, medium to large po ako. This is 012. Okay, 012.
684 pangapat kay Ma'am Margaret Rosel.
Thank you, Ma'am Margaret. Ito pa mga ma'am siya. Dali, ang ganda nito. Oh. Large to XL po ako, 020. Okay, 020.
624.
Pagilan.
8.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Ma'am
Okay.
Joy Paki.
Ma'am Joy, yours na po.
Pa-deposit na po.
Ma'am Joy, palabas mo na sa live, deposit ka na ha. Okay, this is for medium large to XL. This is 022. Okay, 022.
012 pangatlo po kay Ma'am Nia Enriquez.
Thank you, Ma'am Nia. Okay, for this one, mga ma'am siya. This is for medium large to XL. This is 998. Okay, 998. Oh, ito pa oh. Diba pa? Parang siyang bolero style ah. Okay, extra small to small. Okay, the code is 012. Okay, 012.
022 pangatlo kayong Nia Enriquez.
Thank you, Ma'am Nia. Okay, ito pa ha. Soft denim to na may hood. Large to XL, hanggang double XL. This is 695, okay? 695.
998 pangatlo kay Ma'am Jillian.
Thank you, Ma'am Jillian. Ito mga to. Wait lang mga siya. Sama ko na rin to, dili, oh. Small, medium to large po ako. This is 997, okay? 997. Diba? Gaganda pa niyan, ma'am. Show. O, pang office mo ha. Pang small to medium, 019. Okay, 019. And then for this one, okay, pang small, medium to large po ako. Alam nyo, ganda nito. 014, okay, 014. Ayan pa, mga ma'am siya. Large XL up to double XL. This is 976, okay, 976.
997 po, pangapat. Kay Ma'am Jeng Dumlao.
Thank you, Ma'am Jeng. Oh, ito pa, Ma'am. Sure, dali, oh. Okay, pang large XL up to double XL. This is 005. Okay, 005. Ito din, mga ma'am. Sure, dali, oh. Cotton linen to, ha. Medium large to XL to. This is 918. Okay, 918.
014 po. Pangapat. Kay Ma'am Milady Joy.
Okay, Ma'am Milady, yours 014.
Ako, pangapat.
Thank you, Ma'am Milady. Wait.
Sold na po lahat ng mannequins.
Wala na pong mga mannequins, mga ma'am. Okay, large to XL po ako. This is 804. Okay, 804. Ayan pa, oh.
019 po. Panglima. Kay Ma'am Nia Enriquez.
Thank you, Ma'am Nia. Okay, ito pa ha, mga ma'am siya. Dali, oh. XL up to double XL, 790. Grabe ang ganda niyan. Oh, ito din, sama ko na rin to ha. Small, medium to large po ako dito. Ito siya, pag ganyan siya. Tapos garter yung laylayan. Okay, 800. Okay, 800.
976 panganim po kay Ma'am Jillian.
4, 6. Okay. Ma'am Jillian, yours na po.
May nilingin. Ano ko lingin po?
Okay, kanina.
Kay Ma'am Jeng Dumlao.
Ma'am Jeng, 918. Yours na po. Okay, ito pa ha. Dali, oh. Large to XL cotton linen nito. This is 797. Okay, 797.
$800 po pangalawa kay Ma'am Jillian.
Thank you, Ma'am Jillian. Oh, ito pa mga ma'am, siyang ganda, oh. Okay, this is for large to XL po ako. This is 594, okay, 594. As well as this one, okay, ganda nito. Medium large to XL, this is 573, okay, 573.
790 pangapat kay Ma'am Beng Marco.
Thank you, Ma'am Beng. Okay. Thank you, Ma'am Kay. Ang galing naman ni Ma'am Kay, no? Sana all. Thank you, Ma'am Kay. Okay, small, medium to large po ako. This is 606. Okay, 606. Ayan pa, Ma'am Sho. Medium, large to XL. This is 574. Okay, 574. Grabe sa ano yan, 50 pesos.
75.
O, ito pa ha. Small, medium to large po ako. This is 586. Okay, 586. And then for this one, okay, this is for medium, large to XL. This is 585. Okay, 585.
594 pang-anim.
2.
Kay Ma'am Jeng Dumlao.
6. Okay, Ma'am Jeng, yours na po.
573.
Pang ilan?
Panglima po. Kay Ma'am Margaret Rosel.
2, 4, 5. Ma'am Margaret, yours na po.
606.
Pangilan?
060 po ata yun.
Pang ilan?
Pangapat. 90.
Okay, 606.
Kay Ma'am Catron Kilio.
Thank you, Ma'am Kat.